What's good, YouTube? It's your boy X back today with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get approved for any apartment, even if you have evictions within 30 days. If you have evictions or if you have anything negative on your credit report that's stopping you from getting approved for an apartment, I'll be showing you how to get approved for any apartment, even an apartment like this. So the first thing you want to do is you need to make your CPN. So if you don't know what a CPN is, a CPN is a credit privacy number. And the way you do that is by going to this website right here. You're going to go to Steve Morse SSN. It's going to pull up this website. In order to make your CPN number correctly, what you're going to have to do is make sure that it is age appropriate. Think about it like this. If you were born in 1995 in Atlanta, Georgia, right? What you would see is these three numbers pop up. All right, there we go. So what you need to do is grab these two numbers. Oh, it changed, but it's still the same thing. It keeps changing. I'm not pressing it on purpose. But you get these numbers, copy it, and then you make a random last four numbers. So these numbers you randomize. I don't know why it's only three right there, but it's supposed to be four numbers. You randomize these four numbers, and that's how you make your own CPN number. So then once you get your CPN number, you're going to have to add public records. If you need public records, you can message me on Instagram and you can get them. So step 2 is to add public records. After you get all your information, you get your CPN number, you add your public records. After about like 2 to 3 days of your public records sitting there, you can either apply or you can add your trade lines. What I recommend is to add a trade line, because if you add a trade line, you'll be able to get access to all the credit specials. So a lot of apartment complexes do random rent specials that you see right here. Some of them do like 6 weeks free. And if you don't have good credit, then you won't get access to that. What you will do is add public records, then you add one trade line. The quickest and most efficient way to do it is to add one authorized user, because you can basically create whatever age amount you want on there instead of having a profile that's brand new and 1 month old. Then what you're going to do is you're going to come to this site right here. It's called Rent Cafe. Then go to the site and basically just choose an apartment that you want to apply to. Once you find an apartment, the thing that you need to know is what third-party system they use to verify. So if you're using a CPN, not all apartment complexes are the same. All companies pull your credit profile the same, but sometimes they're going to ask you for different documents depending on how you build your profile. Some companies might ask you for a picture of your social card. Some companies might only ask you for income documents. And if you don't have everything in a line, then you're going to get denied, even if your CPN number is good. So when you apply for these apartments, what you need is income documents. You need to have a good credit score on your CPN, and you need to know what third-party company that they use in order to verify all that information. So if they use Snap, you have to have specific documents in order to get approved by Snap, because if you go in there and you make fake bank statements, they're going to deny you, and that's 100% going to happen. In order to bypass Snap verification, you're going to have to get some Snap stubs. And if you need those, you can message me on Instagram. If you want to learn how to do this yourself, right now I'm having a special going on with my CPN Mentorship Class. It is half off for the next 5 people. After 5 people sign up, my price is going back up to its regular price. So make sure to join now before it's too late.